Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Here on the Solana chart, we have had a break above the signal level at $202.20. And the break above $202.20 signaled to us that the direct move to the downside is invalidated. Now, that does not completely rule out the option of another low, of course. It doesn't make it impossible. Of course, the market can still dip, but it's about managing probabilities on a dynamic basis, right? And the fact that the market has broken out above this signal level, which was located here at $202.20, well, yeah, that clearly invalidated at least this triangle pattern that we were tracking, which then, yeah, could have broken out to the downside, right? But that was only one of the options. We also talked about the option of a direct path to the upside, which the market is taking now. The let's say the first signal that we saw was a possible micro 5-wave move up here, which didn't really align fully with the idea of a triangle. But that's fully okay. You never know on the micro level. Sometimes you get distortions. But that's why a few days ago I charted for you here this direct path to the upside and showed how a directly bullish move would actually look like or could unfold. And it's taken that route now, but we needed to see that break above the $202.20 level. I already shared with you in the last few days that blue target zone above, which the market seems to be targeting right now. Seems like we want to get there. Seems like we finally have some upside momentum. And sooner or later, that blue box should be tested, actually, provided relevant micro support is actually holding. And what is that relevant micro support? Well, it is on the micro level, $198.61 to $204.55. Why is that important? Because when we talk about the move to the upside here that probably started on Friday the 27th locally, yeah, I call that a B wave low, that this is a 1-2 setup and we're now moving up in a third wave. Then we could get another 4-5 pattern to complete that C wave of wave 3. That would give us only a 3-wave move up. I need a 4-5 pattern as well for a first solid 5-wave pattern to the upside in what would be probably a leading diagonal in wave A. Alternatively, it's just forming an ABC structure to the upside. That's possible as well, but even then we should ideally hold that level. $198.61 is a micro, it's just micro support, okay? $198.61. So what is important is that the 192.78 level is a more relevant support level in my opinion. So even if we break below 198.61, while that might be a first signal that things are starting to break down, the 192.78 level, in my view, is more relevant. Yeah, it is more relevant. It is key. Why is that more relevant? Because it covers the entire distance from this swing low on the 22nd of December. It is just related to Fibonacci guidelines and so on. I find that it's just a more relevant one. This here is really just 198.61, really just covers this distance of the move up that started on the 1st of January. So the main takeaway is, idea is that we've bottomed there in wave 4 in the support region. That's key. Let the microstructures change, let the microstructures rise and fall. The most important element on the chart is the support area, and it did hold, okay? And now we can track the move to the upside and see how the move in wave 5 develops. Obviously, that's the only analysis on the micro level today, but please note that this move up would likely be an ABC structure, right? So circle A here, circle A, could also be a 3-wave move because it's an ABC structure to the upside, and A waves can be 5-wave movements or 3-wave movements. What does that mean? It means we have to track alternatives. There's going to be more than just one scenario, okay? I know people love one scenario, but there's not just one. But that doesn't matter so much because both are at the moment short-term bullish, again, provided that 192.78 level is holding. But it's looking promising, and this is now the pattern I'm going to track. Any changes, I will let you know. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.